Hello, here is how I make delicious wraps with leftover meat. Of course, you could use fresh meat too. So I went ahead and pulled my meat. It was from a stew, and then I have fresh vegetables here with lots of garlic and then some cheese. You could use one type of cheese; it's okay. So the first step is to crisp up the meat. So go ahead and fry your garlic in a little bit of oil and then add in the meat. And I like to cook mine until it browns and gets really crispy, but you could just warm it up quickly if you don't want it to be crispy this much. The next step is to add in your vegetables. So yellow onion, red and green bell peppers, and I have all the measurements in the description box, but really this is a very flexible recipe. So cook them down until they look like this, and then you will add your cilantro or coriander leaves. Yeah, so just mix those in and you're all set for the next step. But before we move on, please do check out my notebooks on Amazon and grab a copy. Everybody always needs a notebook, right? Thank you. Okay, so moving on, warm up your tortilla on a pan. Do not use any oil. Flip it over and start laying on the cheese. I'm using sharp cheddar cheese and mozzarella cheese. You could use just one type, it's okay. Once you've put on that first layer, go ahead and layer on the meat. The cheese will help to hold the meat together. Now sprinkle another layer of cheese on top, and then you're going to fold your wrap up and you will be all set to eat. So here's how I folded it. I know my wrap is really full, and so it's gonna overflow a little, but I don't mind it. If you don't want it to be this full, go ahead and fill in less. So there you go. And now I am cutting it into two pieces and ready to go. It is perfect for like work lunch or just a lunch at home. So those are my wraps. I hope you love this recipe and that you try it too. Honestly, it is very delicious, easy to put together, and the best way to use leftover meat. See you in another video. Bye-bye.